Hi, welcome to our virtual tour of 822 Kalson Street in Huntersville, North Carolina. I'm Liz Root with Miller Realty Group. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope, and we all hope that your family is safe and healthy during this time. So I'll be hosting the video and photo tour. I'll be stopping along the way to tell you some great features about the home that you're going to see today. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to post them on Facebook. And I also have some contact information as well. And let's see if I can stick that up there, right there. So again, if after the tour you have additional questions or want to know more about it, there is my contact information. Again, I'm Liz Root with Miller Realty Group. So we're going to get started on the tour. And before it actually starts moving, I want to tell you a couple of great things. Again, there's the address, 8220 Kalson Street in Huntersville. It's in the subdivision of Arbormere. This home is a 5-bed, 3.5-bath home. And just love the dual porches. And something you can't see on this tour, which you'll see a little bit in some of the photos, is the great green space right across from this home. So plenty of room for walking and playing and chatting. So just a beautiful view from those dual porches that you see as well. So we're going to get started. And as we enter the home, we're actually going to go all the way right to the back because we're going to start in our open concept of living and kitchen area. So we're going to start out here in the living area. So a few things I want to point out. And again, this home is over 2,700 square feet, 5 beds, 3.5 baths. So a few things is obviously we have this beautiful fireplace. I want you to take a look at the moldings up here. Look at those beautiful moldings and the huge baseboards. You don't find that in a lot of homes anymore that are new, and this home is built in 2017. The other thing I want you to notice is the hardwood. It's wide plank and it is engineered and it's got that great finish to it. So there we have our light in our family living area, plenty of wall space for your furniture arrangement, whatever works for you. And I'm gonna stop right here. So you can see that it's gonna open up into the kitchen area, and there's more to the kitchen than just here, which we'll be seeing on our tour. Here again is our great hardwood floors. Look at the lighting features, very beautiful. Again, built in 2017. And we're going to head into the kitchen. And right from here, you can see again another great lighting feature. We've got granite countertops on our island. Definitely plenty of room for seating at that breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances, definitely a gourmet kitchen to cook in. And we have plenty of room for our eat-in area. And I'm going to stop it right here. Look at the size of this pantry in here. You've got this beautiful stainless hood, gas stove top built in. Look at all the counter and prep space right there. Double wall ovens. So certainly a gourmet kitchen. And as we take another look a little closer, it's just a beautiful stovetop. Look at the hood and that subway tile as the backsplash. Here's another view of the island. Again, plenty of prep and counter space to sit at. Stainless steel appliances, more cabinet storage. Right there, there's a closer up view of those beautiful moldings. And right back here that we're going to head into, in addition to the eat-in area, is our beautiful sunroom. Passing some more great light features, and look at that gorgeous view in there. So however this can be set up for your wishes, whether it's a separate living area, gaming area, rec area, or even if you want to extend some of your eating area into here, if that's what works for you, there's another way to do that. This entrance is to the backyard and the deck, and we'll show that later on in the tour. So lots of windows, lots of light. Again, the molding in there as well. Now we're going to head actually into the butler's pantry and dining area. So you have 2 eating areas in this home. And again, an expansive butler's pantry, tons more storage, more granite countertop that heads into your dining area. And here we are. Look at that light-filled room. Look at all the coffered ceilings and the additional borders and trim along the base of the dining room. You've got that extra light coming in from the front door as well. Just beautiful. And here we're going to head into one of the best features of this house. There are actually 2 master bedrooms. One upstairs and one downstairs. So again, whatever needs you have, I think this home can fulfill your wishes and your needs. Again, it's a 5-bed, 3.5 bath, just over 2,700 square feet, and it was built in 2017. Here you have your tray ceiling. Look at these very soothing color palette right here. Heading into the bathroom. So in this master bath on the downstairs, you have your double sinks. You can see the tile floor, and look at this shower, huge walk-in shower, beautiful tile in here as well. This door is the entry, and then you also have your closet area as well. So just beautiful. And now we're going to head upstairs to the second master. So again, whatever your needs are, this will work. And we have additional bedrooms up here, but we're going to head down the hall into the master bedroom, the second one that is upstairs. So again, lots of space in the bedroom. There is your tray ceiling. Lots of space for furniture placement, however you want to arrange it. And as we head in to the bath, you will see this bathroom also has a garden tub. So again, you've got your double sinks, you have this great tile floor, and you're going to see the garden tub and separate shower. Just beautiful, beautiful condition, is just lovely. This is the hall bath, so another double sink. So far I'm counting 6 sink basins in this home. So plenty of room for your wishes. This is the separate hall bath, and there you can see the entrance in there. And now we're in one of the secondary bedrooms. Again, lots of light. There's your closet. And look at this bedroom, comes right out onto that upstairs dual porch. Isn't that beautiful? There's your green space. And the other great thing about this neighborhood is all the amenities. First of all, you have that green space again for walking, chatting, playing, whatever your needs. You can just sit out there during the day and in the evenings, and what a relaxing evening or during the day that you can have. Also, you'll notice there's sidewalks throughout this neighborhood, a big plus. Other amenities in this neighborhood are an outdoor pool. There are walking trails, playgrounds, let me see, and again, street lights and the sidewalk. So what a great view there from that upper porch. You've got your ceiling fan up here too as well. So just so beautiful. And again, that is connected to one of the bedrooms upstairs. Here is another bedroom we have. Again, plenty of room, very spacious secondary bedrooms, and lots of light. Ceiling fans, double door closets. Here we are in the back. Here is the deck that's been expanded. And we have privacy fencing. This is on 0.14 acres. And you'll see that the garage is in the back. So right here, that's that sunroom that you saw next to the kitchen. You come out here and you're right on your deck. And then this is your garage over here. And you will see that in some of the photos as well. So lots of outdoor entertaining space and lots of privacy right there with that privacy fence. So just beautiful. And there we go. And again, the neighborhood has all those amenities. There is the 2-car garage that's in the back. So what's really nice is you pull around that back street and can park back there. And it does lead right into the home. It's not a separate entrance. It comes right in. So there we have our video. And I am, gonna switch to the photos just to show you a few more photos of some different angles of what you have seen in the home. So again, there is the front. You saw that green space across the street. You've got your dual porches, flat yard, 0.14 acres. And coming in, so right here is your entrance. Here is your first master. Dining room is over here. And then the family living area combination is in the back. You can see this dining room that leads right to the butler's pantry. There's your expansive family kitchen area. You can see the breakfast bar right here, hardwood floors throughout the first floor, fireplace, great lighting, lots of wall space for furniture placement. There's a different angle right there. Recessed lights, again, that great molding, and the very large 7.5-inch baseboards. And here's another view. You can see the kitchen island in that gourmet kitchen and eat-in area, and then your sunroom is over here. And we'll just go through a few more photos. Some close-ups of the kitchen. There's your gas cooktop with the stainless steel hood and your subway tile backsplash, just beautiful. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. Who does not want to cook in there? And I don't even cook a lot. I certainly would want to cook in that kitchen. Got your breakfast bar, eat-in area. We'll go through your sunroom. However this fits your wishes and needs. Look at the amount of counter space in that butler's pantry. And you can see there's still it's so wide that there's additional space to put things on the other side of the wall as well. Here's our downstairs master with the bath with double sinks and a huge walk-in shower. This is the half bath that you haven't seen on the video tour. So again, you have 1.5 bathrooms down on the downstairs, and then 2 full bathrooms upstairs. Here we are in the master with the tray ceiling. Still again, look at the baseboards throughout the home. Look at that beautiful ceiling. It's a split bedroom plan, so your master is on the other end of the hall from the other bedrooms. Here is your master bath. Great tile, granite countertops again, separate garden tub and shower. And here are your secondary bedrooms, lots of light, ceiling fans. Here's your hall bathroom upstairs, double sinks there as well. Like the little separate entrance to the shower area. Here is your other bedroom upstairs. And then that's your 4th bedroom right here. There's the closet space. And this one is what is the bedroom that leads out to that porch up on the 2nd floor with your ceiling fan. Beautiful view of the green space across from the home. There's our laundry area. And again, the 2-car garage is in the back. You have your privacy fenced in deck over there. Very peaceful and private. And just some more views of that backyard. And so again, if you have more questions about this home, feel free to contact me. I'm happy to share more information with you. And I'm going to stop sharing here. Really appreciate you stopping by today. And thanks so much. And again, stay safe and healthy. Take care.